Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in silicon silver. This car is a 4.4 V8 diesel, next due for a service in August 2021 and has previously had only one owner. You have 22-inch alloys along with privacy glass and a powered tailgate. Going round and into the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a day like today or just for some fresh air, but you do also have a blind that you can pull as far across as you like. Fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cool. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving, including comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. You also have heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer, along with heated rear seats, ensuring all passengers have a luxury journey. "10-inch touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay, an electrically deployable tow bar which you can control in the boot or from your screen, along with ambient lighting with various colours to choose from, and you can also change the brightness of them. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, makes driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 16,087 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.